How to fix Instagram open error on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram open error on Android phone. First, open settings, scroll down. This one is for Android phones. Go to apps and then apps again, and here type Instagram, click on it, then click for stop. Now go to storage and here clear cache and if that doesn't fix your problem, come back here and clear data and click OK, and then make sure your Instagram is updated. And if you have an iPhone, just restart your phone and go to App Store and then just uninstall your Instagram and install it again. And that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.